Hi everybody, it's Mr. Berkey. I'm wearing this hat right now because I shaved off all of my hair, and only the people that do all of their work this week are going to be able to see Mr. Berkey's shaved little head. So you've got to make sure that you do all of your work, and then you'll see a picture of my shaved head on Friday. Can't wait to see that. Okay, for today, we are going to be going through apostrophes, and we're going to be working through what we did yesterday. So what you see right now on the screen is the work that you did yesterday. If you need to, I'm going to start playing this video, and I'm just going to show you how to make the video bigger so that you can see it bigger. If you need to make it bigger... Hi everybody, it's Mr. Berkey. I can't wait for us to go... ahead and start learning. Okay? Click on YouTube to see the video bigger. We're going to move down. Okay. This is the same thing that we're going to have for today. Please use this sheet, the one that talks about when to use apostrophes and when not to use apostrophes. Look at that today. It will help you. We're just going to go through, because lots of us did not do very well yesterday. We're going to go through, and Mr. Berkey's going to explain what the correct answers are for these. And then we're going to go through and do 2 examples from today. Okay? Here we go. Number 1. Which sentence is using an apostrophe correctly? 1. Miss Craven lives on Mars's. Does that make sense? Remember, you need to look and see the thing that has the apostrophe S has to have something that belongs to it. Does Mars have anything that belongs to it? Not in this sentence. No. So that means that one's wrong. Number 2, Miss Craven eats foods. Foods has an apostrophe S. Does anything belong to foods in this sentence? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Nothing belongs to food in this sentence. Food belongs to Miss Craven. Let's read the last one. Miss Craven's favorite thing is GLA. The apostrophe S is at Miss Craven's. Does anything belong to Miss Craven in this sentence? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Yeah. Miss Craven, what belongs to her is her favorite thing, being GLA. That's what belongs to her. So this is the correct answer. Number 2, Harvard's crabs are with Miss Quigley. Is this correct or incorrect? So let's look at our word that has the apostrophe S. Harvard's crabs. Does anything belong to Harvard in this sentence? If you had your thumbs up, what belongs to Harvard? The crabs, you're right. So, since the crabs belong to Harvard, we know that the apostrophe S is in the correct spot. This is correct. Number 3, which sentence is using an apostrophe correctly? Number 1, Mr. Berkey has stuffed animals. Look at the word that has the apostrophe S. Animals. Does anything belong to them in this sentence? If you put your thumbs down, you are correct. Nothing belongs to the animals in this sentence. They belong to Mr. Berkey. So this is wrong. Janiyah was looking at Imar's computer. Imar has an apostrophe S. Does anything belong to her in this sentence? Thumbs up or thumbs down? If you had your thumbs up, what belongs to Imar? If you said her computer, you are correct. Nice job. This is the correct answer. I saw some chips. Is this sentence correct or incorrect? Look at chips. It has an apostrophe S. Does anything belong to the chips? No. This sentence is incorrect. I'm going to go faster now. I want you to think, and try and think as fast as Mr. Berkey is. Which sentence is using an apostrophe correctly? 1. Miss LeBerry's book fell off the table. 2. The books are on the shelf. Or 3. You are all reading books. Which one is correct? If you said Miss LeBerry's books fell off the table, you are correct. Because the books belong to Miss LeBerry. And when you have an apostrophe S, something has to belong to you. 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 And what belongs to Miss LeBerry? The books. What belongs to Miss LeBerry? The books. Next, Sophia's lunches always look so good. Is this correct or incorrect? Look at Sophia. Does anything belong to her? What belongs to her? Her lunches. What belongs to her? Her lunches. Which sentence is using an apostrophe correctly? The rains are strong. The clouds are in the sky. The bird's nest was in the tree. Does anything belong to rain? No. Does anything belong to the clouds? No. Does anything belong to the bird? Yes. What belongs to the bird? The nest. Mr. Berkey's going to go rapid fire now because I don't want to run out of time for things for today. Caleb's favorite game is Roblox. Is this correct or incorrect? Look at the apostrophe S. Caleb's. Let's think. What belongs to Caleb? His favorite game, Roblox. So this is correct, because something belongs to him. Which sentence is using an apostrophe correctly? The kids are outside. Rodrigo's sister is in kindergarten. Khalees likes ice cream. We know this one's wrong because likes can never have an apostrophe. Only nouns can have apostrophes. Only nouns can have apostrophes because they are people, or things that have something else, that something else belongs to them. The kids are outside. Does anything belong to the kids right now? No, so this one's wrong too. Rodrigo's sister is in kindergarten. What belongs to Rodrigo? His sister. That's his. Dogs and cats are animals. Is this correct or incorrect? Let's think. Does anything belong to cats? No. So this is incorrect. Once you are done, you're going to click submit. Before that, Mr. Berkey needs to go ahead. I do not need to put my email in because this is a view. Once you are done, I need you to view your score so that you can see what you did wrong. Let's see. We got every single one correct. Mr. Berkey even has, when you get something wrong, it will come up with why the answer is wrong for today. So please make sure you look so that you can see what's wrong. Now, Mr. Berkey is going to go ahead and come to today's work. I'm super excited for us to look at today's work. 4/12, apostrophes. I'm just checking to see how much time I have. I have 2 minutes, so not a lot of time. I'm only going to do 2 with you. We use apostrophes when something belongs to someone. For example, I went to my grandma's house. I use an apostrophe S. This is an apostrophe S to show that the house belongs to my grandma. Remember, we use apostrophe S's when things belong to people. Which sentence is correct? Sophia likes to look at Emmanuel's Pokemon book. Sophia likes to look at Emmanuel's Pokemon book. Which one's correct? You choose. Why is this one with the Pikachu wrong? It doesn't have a period, and we cannot put an apostrophe S on a word that is not a noun, and likes is not a noun. So that one's wrong. Why is this one correct? Why is Sophia likes to look at Emmanuel's Pokemon book correct? Because Emmanuel has an apostrophe S, and what belongs to him? His Pokemon book. What belongs to him? His Pokemon book. Great. I'm going to scroll down. We did number 1 together. We're going to do number 6 together. And then Mr. Berkey is going to give you the answer to the last one. When we went to the DuSable Museum of African American History, Contrail Group was with Miss LeBerry. Is this correct or incorrect? It is correct. It is incorrect because you cannot say Contrail Group. It should be Contrail's group because the group belongs to Contrail. Which one do you think is correct? It is incorrect. That's right. I even explained why right here. You cannot say Contrail Group. That doesn't make sense. You have to say Contrail's group because the group belongs to Contrail. The group belongs to Contrail. Now we're going to go down really fast, and Mr. Berkey is going to tell you the answer to the super secret question before his time's up. I grew up in West Lafayette, Indiana. Make sure you get it right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.